Do you want to generate more sales inquiries for your business? The answer may of course be yes. If you're looking to generate sales inquiries and attract new customers for your business, you've come to the right place. The word marketing is used a lot these days and means different things to different people. In this instance, we have translated the word marketing into generating sales inquiries. It is the generation of sales inquiries that most businesses, like yours, are both needing and trying to achieve. It is by generating sales inquiries that we give ourselves the opportunity to win new customers, the very lifeblood of any business. After all, without customers, we don't have a business. The good news is that you can do that here by adopting our 7-step process. The 7-step process will 1. Create a reason to motivate your prospect to contact you. 2. Agree the medium to communicate your marketing message. 3. Produce your marketing message in a relevant format. 4. Understand how to engage with your prospect. 5. Design the method to deliver your marketing message. 6. Measure the number of sales inquiries. And 7. Take action to increase sales conversions. So let me show you proof of how, when I adopted this process, I went from generating 18 leads per month to 660 leads per month in just 12 months. When I started this journey with the digital marketing education business, I did not appreciate how effective the training I received would be. As a result of implementing the training on my affiliate business, in my first month I generated 18 inquiries, and every month since then, almost without exception, I increased the number of sales inquiries. Generated each month, I mean. Within 12 months of starting this marketing approach, I produced 660 inquiries in 1 month, and this number continues to grow, as can be seen on the following graph. So if you are looking to generate more sales inquiries and attract new customers for your business, can I encourage you to reach out to me and I will contact you to make an appointment for a free review so that we can establish together if I can help you and your business, and indeed find out if you would even like my help. So go ahead, visit my website at peterboulton.com/contact and I will be in touch to arrange a convenient time to talk. I look forward to hearing from you.